about living things. Now we will study in brief about living things. What living things are, how they live, why they are calling living things. Okay, now we will discuss. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. See, who are in the picture? A plant is in the picture, a boy is in the picture, and a cat is in the picture. So as I told you, to do an activity, then you will come to understand that plant also need air. Plant also need air. So boy also need air. Animals also need air. We are humans. We also need air to breathe. Plants also need air. No, plants need air to breathe. No, they are only giving us oxygen to breathe. They are giving us oxygen to breathe. No, they are giving us air to breathe. But we are also giving air to plants to breathe. Okay. So, animals also need air to breathe. Plants also need air to breathe. And humans also need air to breathe. So, in the conclusion, we can say that living things breathe. Living things breathe. They need air too. Without air, nobody can survive. Without air, nobody can survive. Not plants, neither humans, nor cat and animals. No, nobody can survive without air. The size of living things changes as time goes by. See in the picture, human. What happens in human? See your picture. You can see your picture here. You can imagine yourself only. In human, many years ago, before 5-6 years, okay, or I can say that 8 years, okay, you were in the first stage. You were lying on your mother's lap or your father's lap, drinking water from water bottle, and after 2-3 years, what happened? You slowly start walking, and now you are a big boy. Now you are a big boy or big girl. So animals, see, this kitten was so small, no? This kitten was so small. See how she is small. It is very small, no? Very, very, very small. Then after many days, what happened? It becomes little bigger. And many years after, it becomes a cat. In plants also you can see, this plant is very, very small. After that, it grows. And after so many years, it becomes a tree. So, it shows that living things grow. They are growing by time to time. As the time passes, living things also grow. You can see the examples in your home only. If your brother is very younger than you, very younger than you, so you think when they born, they used to say nothing, no, and now they are speaking to you. It means that they have grown up. Living things feel. We humans feel heat, cold. If it is very hot in the day, it is very hot, it is very, very, very hot. So what you do? You switch on the fan. But after that also, if you are not feeling comfortable, what you do? You go and take bath and come. You again go and take a bath and come. Like this only you do. You drink from the refrigerator water. You take water bottle from the refrigerator and you used to drink that water. Why is it? Why you are doing this? Because you are feeling hot. And that shows that humans can feel. So like this, animals also feel. How you can say that animals feel hot and cold? If you are having a pet in your home, what will happen? they will also feeling cold. They will also feel cold. When you are feeling hot, they will also feel hot. If you are sitting under the fan, they used to come and sit with you. Why? Because they are also feeling hot. They are also feeling hot. They don't want to sit in the hot places. So they will go and relax. Have you seen dogs in the street? Have you seen the dogs in the road or street? What they do at the summer days, what they do? They used to sit under the tree. Under the tree they used to sit for cover themselves from the heat, from the sun. See, in winter season also we are feeling cold. Not in the winter season only. If we feel cold, what we do? If you are sleeping, okay, you are sleeping, sometimes what happen? In night we are feeling very cold, very hot we are feeling. In summertime only I am telling, we are feeling very hot. We switch on the fan, okay, and we sleep, okay, and after 4-5 hours, what happened? We start feeling cold. So what our mother and father do? Our parents, what they do? They get up and they switch off the fan and they again went to sleep. Why they are doing this? Because first of all they were feeling hot, and now what they are feeling? They are feeling cold. So this is the changes. So in winter season also you can see, when your pet were feeling cold, they used to sit near the fire. Or if they are your pet dog, you are playing toy dog type, they will sit near you. They want to come on your lap. They want to cuddle with you. They will sleep under the blanket or near the fire. Why they are doing this? They are doing this because they are also feeling cold. No? They are feeling no? In winter season they used to sit in the sun. Why? Because they are feeling cold. So it means that we humans, animals also feel coldness. Okay, it means that living things feel. See, what is in the picture? A utensil is kept. Something is therein. Okay, something is there to cook. It was hot. And suddenly you touched. What is your reaction for that? You scream with louder of your voice. You scream. Why you screamed? Because you felt hot. You thought that your hand has burned. Why? You felt that it is very chill or it is very hot to me. Okay, when you are taking ice from the freezer, and you are keeping that ice in your mouth, what happened? You just spit it out. Why? Because you are feeling that chilled, that shiver your teeth also. That means that you feel. When you are drinking milk and milk is too hot, what happened? You say, oh, my tongue burned. No, it was very hard, very hot. I can't drink. You are not able to drink. You are not able to touch that glass. You are not able to touch that pan. No. So in this picture also, a child was touching a pan. So why he is not able to touch? Why he shook off his hand? Because this pan was too hot. So he is not able to touch that pan. So this is the things that shows that living things feel. living things move on their own. Living things move on their own. In this picture, you can see who are there. Who are they? You can see lion, tiger. Who are there? Can you tell me? Lion are there, no? So they are running. Why they are running? They saw elephant is coming. That's why they are running to save their life. So you can move. Can you move? I'm asking you. Can you move? Yes, you can move. You are running, you are playing, you are moving, you are walking. No, you are sitting, you are standing. So many things you are doing. Animals can move. Animals are sitting, flying. They can go here to there. They can go, no? So it shows that animals can move. Animals can move. So in this picture also, they are saving their life. They saw the danger and they are moving. So accidentally, just imagine that you are seeing a snake. You are seeing a snake. What you will do? You will stand and see how the snake is moving. No, what you will do? You will run just to save your life. Nothing will going to happen. As I am saying, the snake is crossing his road. Crossing the road, he is not disturbing you. But what you will think and what you will do? You will just run for to save your life. That is danger. You think that no, I can't stand here. Otherwise snake will bite me. No, I will not. You will run. You will run. No, all will run. Who can say that no, I will stand there and I will see how snake is moving? No, nobody will do that. No, nobody will do that. So humans can move. Living things move on their own. What living things need? What living things need? What plants need to grow? As I said you before, plants do not move. They only breathe and grow. Breathe and grow. So, what they need to grow? What they need to grow? They need sunlight. They need sunlight. They need water. They need water. They need air. They need air. For making food. For making food they need air. They need soil. They need soil. As you need food to grow, you need food, no? You need food. If you are eating food properly, then you will grow nicely. Otherwise, you will become very weak. No? You will become very weak. So, you have to eat balanced food every day. You have to eat proper food, vegetables, no? Like that only, plants need air, water and sunlight to grow and soil to grow. If one thing will be absent, plant will not grow. Plant will not grow. If we will not give water to plants, what will happen? They will die. They will dry up and dry. Have you seen this? I think so. You have seen it many times at your home only. You have seen this. Why? Because sometimes we forget to plant the trees. We forget to give watering to the plants. We forgot. In our busy schedule, while we are playing, we forget to do this. So, what happens? Plant also dried. They dry up. First of all, they dried up. Because of without water, they can't grow. Without water, they cannot grow. So, they will die. Automatically, they will die only. Now, plant. What is in the picture? Can you see? A deer. A deer is in the picture. Animals need food to grow. Animals need food to grow. As plant need air, water and sunlight, like that only, deer also need food. And what they are eating? They are eating grass. They are eating leaves. They are eating, no? Why they are eating? For living. For living they are eating. For growing they are eating. If they will not eat, if animals will not eat, what will happen? They will become very weak and they will die. They will die. So for living and for growing, they need food. They need food. Many animals are eating many different things. different things they are eating. Deer is eating plants. Deer is eating plants. They are eating, no? Birds are eating grains. Birds are eating grains. And what about wild animals? What they are eating? They are eating flesh. They are eating flesh. So, in proper way, we can say that animals need food to grow. Animals need food to grow. See, can you see in this picture? A dog is very thirsty. As food, they need food as well as water also. Without water, they also can't survive. You can give food to a pet. But after eating food, what they do? As you do, you also drink water, no? After eating food, you also drink water. So they also need water. They also want to drink water. Why they need water? For living. As they need food, as well as they need water. So without water, they also can't survive. We humans can't survive. So animals also can't survive. They are also feeling thirsty. Sometimes you might have seen, if your pet is at your home, if you are having a pet, what they will do, you given them food properly, okay, given them food properly, but you forgot to give water. What they will do after eating food? They will search of water. Why? They also feel thirsty. See, in this picture you can see how dog is drinking water. He is thirsty, no? He is drinking water like he has never drank before. Why? Because he is very thirsty. So in this picture, living things are there. Who are in the pictures? Humans are there, animals are there, and plants are there. So what can you say about living things? That living things need air, water, and food. They need air, water, and food for living. Without air, water, and food, they can't survive. It is compulsory for them. Without these things, they can't even survive. So we all need water. We all need food, water. We also need these things. Things which can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called living things. Okay? Things which cannot grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any kind of life in them. Living things are things that are alive. These things are alive. They need food, water, and air to stay alive. These three things need food, air, water, and air to stay alive. They have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow, and change on their own and respond to changes in environment. They react according to the environment also. How can you say that? In autumn season, you can say the trees shed off their leaves. Why? Because in that season, autumn season, it is very hot and the leaves get dried up. So what can we do? What living things can do? A living thing can move. A living thing can grow. A living thing can change. A child can become a man. A plant can become a tree. Isn't it? A puppy can become a dog. A living thing can make more of its own kind, reproduce. They can give birth to their babies. Now you will say, How plants are giving birth? Plants are not giving birth. No, plants are not giving birth, but see what will happen, that plants gives you fruit. Plants gives you fruit. In fruit you can see seeds are there, no? By seeds only plants grow the another plant. Plant grows into another plant. All living things has needs: air, water, food and shelter. All living things need these things. People, animals and plants are living things. People, animal and plants are living things. So students, I think you have understood living and non-living things. So please must write 10 living things and 10 non-living things in your copy as you have understood. And please write the important points also, what you understand from this video. Thank you.